Lance preparing for his grand skateboarding down the hill. He's moving a huge heavy chair. Whoa, look how strong he is. My goodness. Big strong boy. Good job. Perfect. You can leave it right there. Just leave it down there. Okay. Turn. You gotta turn a little bit. Yeah, like that, yeah. Whoa! What's that about? There he goes, crashing into the stick. Ooh, funny kid. Lance, how you doing?